We add accent colors while omitting white, naturals, warning, error, success, and info for time efficiency, though they should be added if custom. Notably, some project-specific colors like naturals may already align with the TheSprkl palette. Now, we need to incorporate all these variables into classes. Here we have BGC Primary 900, which stands for background color. Primary 900. We need a background color. What was the first one we had? Blue. BGC blue. So we add blue here. Next, and here, accordingly, we can also add blue. Okay, so here we have BGC. What's next? BGC violet. Violet is ready. We create BGC orange, BGC yellow, and we'll also add BGC accent here. In this case, it's not necessary to create a separate block for accent since accent is essentially just one color, so we'll simply add it to primary BGC accent. Okay, we've sorted out the colors. Next, we move on to text colors. The same process applies here. We delete, oops, let's keep primary. So here we go. And the same for TC blue. We change the color in typography color. Here we have blue, violet, and orange. It's crucial to ensure that all classes are named more or less the same way. Actually, not just more or less, but following the same template. That means everything starts with a capital letter. TC with a capital letter, orange with a capital letter, and so on. That's how all our classes are named. Body text M. Also, all start with a capital letter. This rule must not be broken. Since our elements aren't very visible, we could make BGC black here, but that might be too intense. Now. Perfect. All right, we've dealt with the colors. Now we can move on to typography. In typography, we have headline, body text, support styles, and so on. We start styling typography from Figma. Let's see which font is used here. In this case, IBM Plex Sans is used, which is the TheSprkl's default, and likely enter for paragraphs. Therefore, there's no need to invent something new here, but if the design requires a custom font, then it needs to be added in the site settings under Fonts. Downloaded from Google Fonts, and then applied to the tag. The tags are already set up. I'll check now. Yes, the tags are already adapted for the device, so you can confidently insert rich text, and it will be adapted for different screens. Then, once done with the tags, we need to move on to the headline classes themselves. The headline class is necessary for us to interact with headlines, to change their size without disrupting the SEO hierarchy of headings. We definitely have such situations. We have H1 headings on the page, which are huge due to their tag, but we want to make it, for example, small, like headline S. Therefore, we simply apply the headline style to this heading and add a combo class S to it. How so? Here in Figma, there are dimensions. Again, these dimensions in this project coincide with those already listed on the TheSprkl. If there's a difference, you need to go through all the sizes and enter them into Webflow. Also, if you see that, for example, size 5 looks bad on other devices, then adjust it for different screens. This applies in principle to all elements. For all elements that need certain dimensions and styles, all this is on the typography page in Figma.